I'm Tieu. Before we supervisor have to report on paper and verbally what going on the floor every day. With the system that we have right now, I can find out what's going on the floor when I'm at home, even in the evening or get up in the morning before I come to work. I know exactly what machine running, what not, and even what time it went down, what time, and I can talk to supervisor or mechanic and see what's going on. So, it helped a lot. To me, it's very easy to set up. Actually, I'm the one that did that. The most of the work, the hard work to do is run the cable from the machine to the hub. And after that, just plug and play. After we're done, and then it's live the next day, so pretty good. It gives me more peace of mind, to find out what's going on with the plant, wherever I go. Instead of go around asking, what's going on, we can see on the system. Because this is like a good tool to have to monitoring what's going on with the plant. To make it a lot easier than before. Let's say I drive home or I be somewhere, I kind of concerning, how the plant running. But now I can see it in my phone. I see it right away. So that's a big help.